Can you mention at least 10 questions venture capitalists ask before investing in your business? As an entrepreneur or business owner seeking funds to start up or grow your company, you must be prepared for your intending investors. If you do not know, that is what this video is for. By the time we are through, you'll be ready to present your business before a venture capitalist. What do venture capitalists want to know about your business before investing? Let's start by defining who they are. So, who is a venture capitalist? A venture capitalist, that is a VC, is a private equity investor who makes his funds available for investing in companies or startups with high growth potential in exchange for an equity stake. Venture capitalists are normally formed by limited partnerships where the partners invest in the VC fund. They then set up a committee that makes investment decisions on their behalf. Venture capitalists do not invest in early stage startups. They invest in startups that are about to commercialize their ideas. They use their funds to buy a controlling stake in the company, help nurture it, and then look for a way to cash out substantially. Before venture capitalists invest in a venture, they look at the management team, the market size, and the product with a strong competitive advantage. Most venture capitalists are experienced entrepreneurs, so they will look at industries they are familiar with. Some venture capitalists in Nigeria include venture platforms, Green Tea Investments, Microtraction, IFC Capital, and so on. Alright, let's look at 10 questions venture capitalists ask before investing. So you have a great idea, but that will not guarantee the success of your business. Before a venture capitalist agrees to invest, he or she must be certain you are the real deal. So here are 10 questions venture capitalists will ask before investing in your business. 1. Can you lead? Hey, before you hurry off to say yes, reflect on what makes a true leader. Are you a great communicator, and do you inspire? Are you able to remain calm and competent under pressure? Do your leadership ability reflect on your staff? These indicators frequently indicate to venture capitalists you have the potential to succeed. Prove to your target investor how much of a leader you are. Number 2. Do you have an effective management team? Sam Bernards, a renowned Utah venture capitalist and partner at Peak Ventures, once said, "It's the team that means everything." He stated that how they feel about the team accounts for 80% of their decision. Investors will want to know that the team possesses the necessary skills, drive, experience, and temperament to help the company grow. The third question, what is the size of the market opportunity? Often these investors are looking for businesses that can scale and become meaningful. So make sure you address the issue of why your business has the potential to be exceptionally large right from the start. How much of the market do you intend to capture over time? It should be written in your plan and presented well. The fourth question, what is the nature of your conversion process? Simply put, how do I make money? Yes, you have a great idea and the people love it, but how is it going to generate leads? They also want to see that there aren't too many roadblocks in the purchasing process and that the conversion process is simple. Number 5, what has the company accomplished so far? Are the services or products being accepted? What are the feedbacks? Are there testimonials? A company that has achieved early momentum is more likely to obtain venture financing on favorable terms. The sixth question, what exactly will you do with the capital? Do you understand financials and key metrics? There is a big difference between I will use 100 Naira to transform the business and 50 Naira will be used for 5 human resources, 20 Naira for 1 machine, and 30 Naira for 3 raw materials. The difference between the two scenarios is the details. No venture capitalist wants to invest in a business if he or she doesn't know exactly what their money will be used for. In Forbes publication, they quoted Mark Matrikoff, founder of Matrikoff & Co. He said, "The most impressive entrepreneurs communicate the value of their business through numbers. A conversation centered on a company's revenue growth, sales funnel, and customer churn causes an immediate connection with investors because when entrepreneurs position themselves as matrix-driven, it's as though they've entered an investor's mind." The operational cost and financial breakdown of running the business have to be broken down. This can be done by a financial analyst if you are not up to the task. Have you heard about our corporate training? Entrepreneurs.ng offer corporate training to organizations, businesses, and entrepreneurs. These courses help you to build your team. Are there areas in which you feel that your staff is lacking in? You and your staff can get the training that you need. There don't have to be mediocrity in your work. When you get effective training, you'll be able to present better to venture capitalists. They'll be able to see that your team is fully equipped and ready to carry out the work successfully. So what kind of courses do we train the companies under us? We train them on leadership that drives productivity among their teams, driving business growth through operations management, driving customer acquisition and retention through customer service, creating a formidable business model and strategy. We also teach on how to set up Facebook and Instagram ads yourself, effective email marketing operations, content calendar development for your social media platforms, how to create world-class designs using Canva, how to sell like a pro. That seems to be like a lot of problems for many companies, legalities of doing business in Nigeria, and many more. So head now to entrepreneurs.ng to find out more about it. You can call the number displayed on your screen, or you can send us a mail, whichever way you want. We're here for you. Have you also heard about the 35 booming business ideas and step-by-step guides on how to start them? In this guide, you will find 35 currently trending business. In it has the strategic and financial breakdown of the most lucrative businesses in the country. So all you need to do is head to entrepreneurs.ng/shop to get you a copy of this book. And then you can pick a business that you think will be good for you and run with it. Alright, let's go back to the questions venture capitalists ask. Number 7. Do you have a reasonable cash expenditure rate? How often do you run out of cash, and what does your expenditure entail? Is it spent reasonably or spent on frivolities? Simply put, a venture capitalist wants to know if he or she is giving money to a waster. Number 8. What are the potential business risks? Just like in life, a business cannot always be rosy, and we do not live happily ever after. Your investors know there will be risk and want to hear about them. They also want to know how you would navigate through and mitigate those risks. Number 9. Do you own any intellectual property? What is the intellectual property of the company? This term refers to intangible property created as a result of creativity, such as patents, copyrights, and so on. Investors will want to know, as it could be a key to the business's success. They'll also want to know that the company's intellectual property does not infringe on the rights of the third party. And the last question, are you breaking any laws? Is your legal structure in order and in accordance with applicable laws? No investor wants a messy company that has issues with the law. Is your business registered with the right body, and are you in compliance with tax laws? To register your business, you can contact us. You can register your business as a business name, a limited liability company, an NGO, or you can also trademark. You can also purchase our Ultimate Legal Guide to Doing Business in Nigeria. It answers 147 questions, legal questions about businesses in Nigeria, and comes with 7 free templates. In this guide, you will find answers to questions like starting a business in Nigeria, naming your business, buying a business, buying a franchise, raising funds for your business, business location options, hiring staff for your business, outsourcing parts of your business, protecting your intellectual properties, how to write a contract, tax liability of your business, tax identification number, advertising your business, how to protect your online business, a foreigner doing business in the country, and of course, 7 free agreement templates. You see, we have you fully covered. Moving on, I think you'll be interested in this one. It is 10 early stage investors and venture capitalists in Nigeria. Number 1, Venture Platform. Venture Platform is one of the early stage investor platforms that is trusted by many. It is spearheaded by Kola Aino and supported by other tech gurus. Venture Platforms partners with bold founders during their early days of starting a company. If you're going after a big or growing market with a killer product, Venture Platform is the best place to be. Interestingly, several highly acclaimed companies have emerged from Venture Platform. Some of the companies founded by Venture Platform include Printivo, Paystack, Thrive Agric, Accountia, Reliance HMO, and Piggyvest. Number 2, Spark Capital. This is another company that builds companies with a major focus on Lagos, Nigeria. Spark supports startups that have a well-defined and scalable revenue model. It was founded by Jason Njoku, the founder of Iroko TV. Some of the companies they've partnered with include Drinks.ng, Hotels.ng, Tolet.com.ng, Oga Venue, and MedSaf. Number 3, Greenhouse Capital. Venture Garden Group introduced Greenhouse Capital in January 2016. Greenhouse is one of the largest fintech investment holding companies in Nigeria. Their goal is to provide African technology companies with the resources and networks they need to drive growth and scale their companies locally and internationally. Over the years, the company has supported companies like Max.ng, Flutterwave, Minds.io, AppZone Africa, and AdSpread. Number 4. Growth Capital by CC Hub. Here is also one of the early stage investor platforms, supporting high potential businesses that are using technology to build the next generation infrastructure. In addition, Growth Capital has participating investors that bring their years of experience to help facilitate the growth of investors. Some of the investors include CC Hub, Bank of Industry, and Venture Garden Group. The platform has invested in 6 companies building digital infrastructure across healthcare, commerce, education, and other sectors. The companies are Tailo, Edvis, Weeby, Lifebank, Delivery Science, and Drugstore. Another investment platform is LeadPath Nigeria. At LeadPath, the major focus is on technology entrepreneurs dealing in software applications, mobile applications, electronic payments, and big data. LeadPath average investment ranges from $25,000 and above, depending on the stage and needs of the business. The companies in their portfolio include Register, Push CV, and Intellectric. Number 6. Green Tea Investment Company. Green Tea Investment Company makes our list of early stage investors. This company provides access to funding for an innovative technology business. More than that, they provide technical support, legal advice, governance structure, and simple financial planning to the businesses they invest in. Some of the companies they have invested in are Big Cabal Media, Precurio, and Paystack. Number 7. SLA Accelerator. Needless to say, She Leads Africa Accelerator is a trusted early-stage investor platform that supports Nigerians' brightest female entrepreneurs. It's a 3-month program that is open to businesses based anywhere in Nigeria. To be a partaker, all you need to do is to apply from the site whenever the application is opened. However, there are criteria involved to qualify. Number 8. Echo VC Partners. This is an early-stage investor and venture capitalist company. They provide funding for lead technology companies and teams with sustainable business models in sub-Saharan Africa, Europe, and North America. Companies in their portfolio include, but are not limited to, System 1, Grow Intelligence, Hotels.ng, Britinfo, Lifebank, MyPaddy.ng, and EasyShop, EasyCook. Number 9. Lagos Angel Network, LAN. LAN is an early-stage investor that gives Lagos-based entrepreneurs access to funding, mentoring, and building a sustainable business ecosystem. In addition, LAN is not a for-profit entity that organizes seed funders to invest in startup businesses. Importantly, they partner with renowned establishments like British Council, Co-Creation Hub, She Leads Africa, MEST, Global Business Angel Networks, Demo Africa, and many more. Number 10, the last on our list, is Microtraction. Microtraction is another trusted early-stage investor in Africa. They invest in Africa's most remarkable teams with technical founders at the earliest stage of their venture. In addition, they invest $65,000 in 2 stages. First, they invest $15,000 for a 7.5% equity stake, then an additional convertible note at a $1 million valuation cap in companies that demonstrate growth potential after the initial investment. Before pitching your company, you should ensure that it is legally sound and appealing enough to bring in investors. Good luck with your business. As you get investors to invest in you, remember that your business needs visibility to scale. So write to us today to put your brand and business on the world map. Do you want to increase your visibility and turnover? Do you want potential clients to read about you on reputable platforms? Then advertise with entrepreneurs.ng. We advertise your business on our website with over 600 views yearly. We advertise on our social media platforms. We do press releases, email marketing, and more. Simply visit entrepreneurs.ng/advertise to get started. Over there, you get to download our rate card and peruse our different offerings. Does your business have a company profile yet? Control the narrative and perception of your brand. We have a team of storytellers that will tell your brand story like it has never been told. Also, we love to create visibility for your business and put your brand on the world map. On our site and social media pages, you can profile your business. So contact us today to make your brand the preferred choice for our audience of entrepreneurs and business leaders. Let's talk about why you should profile your business on entrepreneurs.ng. 1. You appear on the first page of Google when searched for. 2. Your business information, not just social media handles, is put on the world map. And 3. Brand awareness that creates visibility. and generates leads. Now, we spoke about some of our books earlier. We talked about the 35 Women Business Ideas and Step-by-Step Guide and how it contains 35 currently trending businesses in the country. We talked about the Ultimate Legal Guides to Doing Business in Nigeria. Now, that is not all. We have a bookshelf of many books that you can pick out from. Books to help grow your business. We have Bootstrapping Your Business. We have How to Sell Like a Pro and thereby increase your sales. We have so many others for you to choose from. After you've checked out our list of best books and found some great ideas, Entrepreneurs.ng can help to increase your visibility in the business world. So get in touch with us to put your business on the world map. Visit entrepreneurs.ng/shop to get you one of our books. Feel free to leave us a comment, subscribe, like, share, and comment. You can use these links to access our different services. To keep track of all of our activities, follow us on social media. Follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Dear entrepreneur, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and peruse our channel for more informative and educative videos. Till we see you next time, it's bye for now.